Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thirumavalavan Srinivasan. In this video, I will show you how to use Amazon QuickSight for machine learning powered insight for anomaly detection. Let me introduce about myself. My name is Thirumavalavan Srinivasan. I am working as a solutions architect. I have over 17 years of IT industry experience. I am also an Amazon Partner Network Ambassador for Northern America region, and I hold 8 AWS certifications. Let's briefly talk about Amazon QuickSight. Amazon QuickSight is a machine learning powered business intelligence service. It is built for the cloud. We can easily create and publish interactive business intelligence dashboards that include machine learning powered insights. Machine learning insights leverages Amazon Web Services proven machine learning and natural language capabilities to help you gain deeper insights from your data. These powerful out-of-the-box features make it easy for anyone to discover hidden trends and outliers, identify key business drivers, and perform powerful analysis and forecasting with no technical expertise or machine learning experience needed. QuickSight dashboards can be accessed from any device and seamlessly embedded into your applications, portals, and websites. Currently, Machine Learning Insight is available only at Amazon QuickSight Enterprise Edition. Amazon QuickSight has two variants, one Standard Edition and Enterprise Edition. But the Machine Learning Insight is currently available at QuickSight Enterprise Edition. Let's see the data set. So I'm going to use the synthetic financial data set for banking fraud detection from Kaggle. We can download the dataset from the URL given in this slide. This dataset is the PaySim synthetic dataset of mobile money transactions. This dataset is a simulation and it is designed to accelerate research for financial applications. Each record is a single transaction marked as cash in, cash out, debit, credit, or transfer. Each transaction will also have the amount, name of the origin, etc. Let's see the features of the data set. So it has step. It represents the unit of time in real world. In this case, one step is 1 hour of time. Total steps is 744. That is 30 days worth of simulated data. And type of the transaction and amount of the transaction in local currency. And customer who started the transaction, initial balance before the transaction, customer's balance after the transaction, recipient ID of the transaction, initial recipient balance before the transaction, recipient's balance after the transaction. And also we have the label for if the fraud transaction is fraud or if the transaction is flagged as fraud. First, we need to download the dataset from Kaggle and then we need to upload it to Amazon Simple Storage Service S3. And I will show you in the demonstration how to import the data from Amazon S3 to Amazon QuickSight. So for our demonstration, we need to first upload the dataset into S3 and then we need to create the dataset on Amazon QuickSight from the Amazon S3 file. To create a dataset using one or more text files from Amazon S3, we need to create a manifest file for Amazon QuickSight. I have given a sample manifest file on the screen here on the right side. Amazon QuickSight uses manifest to identify the files that you want to use and to upload the settings needed to import them. When you create a dataset using Amazon S3, the file data is automatically imported into Spice. Spice is Amazon QuickSight super fast parallel in-memory calculation engine. It is engineered to rapidly perform advanced calculations and serve data. In Enterprise Edition, data stored in Spice is encrypted at rest. Also, we need to grant Amazon QuickSight access to the Amazon S3 bucket that you want to read files from. Let's talk about the Amazon QuickSight configuration that is needed for our purpose anomaly detection. Every Amazon QuickSight account comes with 1 GB of Spice capacity in each region. But for our data set and for doing the anomaly detection, The 1 GB of spice capacity is not sufficient. So I have increased the spice capacity to 10 gig. And also for anomaly detection, we need a time series data with a date field. Currently, our dataset doesn't have a field for date, but it has a field for step. Step is a representation of a unit of time, but it represents 1 hour of time in real world. So we need to use a calculated field. Amazon QuickSight provides the option to create a calculated field for our data set. So since our data set doesn't have a date field, but we have step which represents hour, so we can create a calculated field for date using step, which is needed for the anomaly detection. So for this purpose, we can use the function called epoch date decimal to int, and we pass the step value, and if we multiply that by 3600, it provides a epoch date for 1970 January 1st, and then I add the value 1606780800, which is nothing but the epoch time for December 1st 2020. So our data set is a simulated data set for 30 days worth of data. It doesn't say which month or which year. So I'm just assuming this data is collected from December 1st to December 31st. Next, we can add insight and select anomaly detection, which is machine learning powered insight. Then we have to select the fields for anomaly detection: time, values, and categories. For time, we can select the date, that is our calculated field, and then for values we can use amount, and for categories we'll use type. Once we selected these fields, and if we run anomaly detection, so this is, I've just given a sample screenshot for anomalies for our data set. Now let's go and see this in live demo. Now let's see the demo. I have now logged into my QuickSight account. Let's go to dataset and create a new dataset. And we can select S3, and we can give a dataset resource name. And we can upload the manifest file. I have selected my manifest file. Let's click connect. And let's edit preview of the data. So we can see the preview for our data. So here are the fields: it's new balance, old balance, and fraud classifier, old balance original, name original, destination name is flagged fraud, and new balance original, and step. This is the representation of time. Each step represents 1 hour of time, from 1 hour to 744 hours, that is 30-day worth data. And amount and the type of the transaction. If you see, we don't have a field for date. Amazon QuickSight gives an option for us to create a calculated field. So let's go ahead and create one. And let's name that as date. And use the formula epoch date, and then we are passing in the step value and then creating a date. Let's save it. Let's go ahead and see date. Yeah, we can see the date now. It shows like, December 1st 2020, from December 1st to December 30. Let's now go ahead and save and visualize. Now it would take a couple of minutes to import the data into the Spice. Let me go ahead and pause the video and then I'll come back once it is done. Okay, now the import is complete. It says 100% success and it has over 63 million data. Now let's go ahead and click add insight, select anomaly detection, which is machine learning powered insight. And we can select the fields for anomaly detection. First, for time, we need a time series data, that is date calculated field, and select that, aggregate by hour. And for value, let's go ahead and select amount. And for category, let's select type and click on get started, and let's select analyze all combinations of these categories, and I'm just going to leave everything else as default and save, run now. So this would take a couple of minutes. I'll pause the video and come back once this is done. The analysis is complete now. Let's explore anomalies. And we can select, so the anomalies by date. So we can detect the anomaly for banking fraud data set. So this is how it is easy to use Amazon QuickSight for anomaly detection for using machine learning insight. Hope you would have find this video useful. Thank you.